Why do we think, feel, and act the way we do? What secrets lie within the human mind that shape our relationships, decisions, and dreams? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of human psychology, a journey that reveals the mysteries of our behavior, emotions, and thought processes. Whether you're curious about how the brain works, why we form habits, or how to improve your mental health, this video is for you. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the depths of what makes us human. Introduction to Human Psychology. Human psychology is the scientific study of the mind and behavior. It explores everything from basic brain functions to complex emotional and social behaviors. Psychology combines elements of biology, neuroscience, and sociology to understand why humans act and think the way they do. In this video, we'll cover the origins, branches, theories, and practical applications of psychology in a way that's engaging and easy to understand. Origins of psychology. How it all began. The roots of psychology stretch back thousands of years to philosophers like Aristotle and Plato, who pondered questions about the mind and soul. However, psychology as a formal science began in 1879 when Wilhelm Wundt established the first psychological laboratory, making him the father of psychology. This marked the transition from philosophical musings to scientific inquiry. The major branches of psychology. Psychology is vast and diverse, and understanding its branches helps us see how it applies to different aspects of life. Cognitive psychology focuses on mental processes like thinking, memory, and problem solving. Behavioral psychology examines how the environment shapes our actions, emphasizing learning through rewards and punishments. Developmental psychology studies how humans grow and change across their lifespan, from childhood to old age. Social psychology explores how we interact with others and how society influences our behavior. Clinical psychology focuses on diagnosing and treating mental health issues, helping people overcome emotional challenges. Neuropsychology investigates the relationship between brain function and behavior. Industrial organizational psychology applies psychological principles to improve workplace efficiency and employee well-being. Core concepts of human psychology. Let's break down some of the most critical aspects of psychology: perception and sensation, how we interpret the world through our senses to create a coherent understanding of reality. Emotions. These complex states influence everything from relationships to decision-making. Scientists have developed various theories to explain how emotions arise and their purpose. Motivation, the driving force behind human actions, whether it's fulfilling basic needs or achieving lifelong dreams. Learning and memory, how we acquire new knowledge and retain it. These processes are crucial for adapting and surviving. Personality, what makes each of us unique. Psychology explores personality traits and how they shape our interactions with the world. Mental health, the vital part of understanding human psychology is recognizing and addressing mental health challenges like anxiety and depression. Key theories in psychology are some groundbreaking theories that revolutionized how we understand human behavior. Freud's psychoanalytic theory highlights the role of the unconscious mind and childhood experiences in shaping personality. Behaviorism, pioneered by scientists like Pavlov and Skinner, this theory emphasizes observable behavior and how it's influenced by the environment. Maslow's hierarchy of needs explains human motivation as a pyramid, starting with basic survival needs and culminating in self-actualization. Cognitive development theory. Jean Piaget's work on how children acquire knowledge revolutionized educational psychology. Psychological research, how do we study the mind? Psychologists use various research methods to uncover the workings of the mind, experiments, controlled environments to study cause and effect relationships. Surveys, large-scale tools to gather data on attitudes and behaviors. Observational studies, watching people in natural settings to understand real-world behavior. Neuroimaging, advanced technologies like MRI scans to observe brain activity. Applications of psychology in everyday life. Psychology isn't just theoretical, it has real-world implications. In education, teachers use psychological principles to improve learning outcomes and tackle challenges like ADHD or dyslexia. In mental health, therapists and counselors apply psychological research to treat disorders and promote well-being. In the workplace, organizations leverage psychology to boost productivity and employee satisfaction. In relationships, understanding human behavior can improve communication and empathy. The future of psychology. As technology advances, psychology continues to evolve. Areas like artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and neuroscience are shaping how we understand the human mind. The future promises even deeper insights into behavior and innovative ways to improve mental health and well-being. Conclusion: human psychology is a rich and ever-evolving field that offers insights into every aspect of life. From understanding ourselves to improving our relationships and achieving our goals, psychology holds the key to unlocking human potential. If you've enjoyed this journey into the human mind, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into fascinating topics. Remember, understanding yourself is the first step toward a better life. See you in the next video.